Welcome back, foodie fam. Today we're trading snacks for safari vibes here at Disney's Animal Kingdom. The adventure begins at the Kilimanjaro Safaris entrance, where the wild awaits. Hop in, buckle up, and let's roll out. This is where the magic happens. Real animals, real habitats, and a ride that feels different every single time. Our guide is here to lead us through the Harambe Wildlife Reserve. Keep your eyes peeled, because you never know what's around the corner.
You're welcome. Say hi to the
If you're on the right, wash your hands, arms, feet, and legs. Doors are sliding closed.
There's little waterfalls on this strip. Little ones. No, none of it's scary. It's all fun. We get to go and see animals. We come this many times.
Alrighty, your doors are closed. You are all clear.
Asante Sana Warden, that does mean thank you. We're also going to say Twende, and that means let's go. I'm Jumbo, everybody. My name is Michael. I'm going to be your safari guide for today. Before we get started, please remain seated at all times with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the truck. It's going to be very bumpy out there, and I don't want anyone getting hurt or losing anything. Now above you, there is a spotting guide showing you all of the animals that are out here on the reserve. Now we may or may not see all of those animals, but I usually have some pretty good luck. For the animals that we do see, I can't guarantee I can stop for everything, so I recommend some short video clips, or if your camera has a sports mode or action mode, it'll work really good as well.
Okay.
Side, you're going to see the okapi. The okapi are commonly mistaken for zebra relatives given their back legs, but they are actually the last known relative of the giraffe. They share a similar skull structure, as well as an extra long tongue.
He's just hanging out.
There is a bird.
Did you get to that side? Oh, he's still looking.
More like we're falling.
Right.
Thank you, sir. Have a good day.
Thanks, buddy.
Now on your left, the lighter brown ones are called the greater kudu. The darker brown ones are called the bongos. They do look very similar to reindeers, but I promise you they are on the safari is in the Safi River. So we're gonna see what's hanging out by the water. Alrighty, down there are the pink-backed pelicans. They get their name for the pink tint in their feathers that they all get during mating season. And they are one of the world's largest flighted birds. Their wingspan can get up to 9 feet across from tip to tip. For reference, the canopy above your head is 9 feet across from side to side. Another massive animal is the Nile hippopotamus. Now they can weigh up to 50. Now they're going to spend most of their day underwater, usually asleep. And while they're asleep, their bodies have adapted themselves to rise to the surface every few minutes just to breathe. They can actually hold their breath for several minutes at a time. Now while they're not underwater, like this one up here, their bodies secrete a red oil called...
Midway through the journey, we pause to soak in this stunning waterfall. It's not just scenery, it's a reminder of how alive and vibrant this reserve truly is.
Oh.
Let's say wee. Going so fast, 7 miles an hour.
Pretty rough terrain.
Breakneck speeds. Breakneck speeds. Now, right now, the activity I'm seeing is a bit far away for my liking. So, what do you say we get a lot closer?
Yeah.
Well, you didn't have a choice. We're gonna do it anyways.
Oh.
We get to see the dogs.
Will we get to see the dogs? That's a good question.
Feeding time?
Alrighty, let's see what we're gonna find. It looks like our first friendly face will be the Ankole cow. The Ankole cow, they're also known as the Watusi cows, and they are known for those massive horns. Now most people think their horns are really heavy, but they're actually quite...
Tell me what you like.
Right.
Now this very, very tiny one over on your right is called the springbok. Now the springbok can reach an astounding height of 3 feet tall. But they can still spring up 6 feet high and 13 feet forward, which is what we like to call crunking. Crunking really only occurs when they're scared. They don't really get scared around here too often. Also on the right are the wildebeest. The wildebeest get their name from two Afrikaans words meaning wild beast. They are known for the annual Great Migration, where 1.5 million wildebeest will travel about 1,000 miles across Africa every single year.
Wow.
Also on the right are the elands. The eland is the largest antelope on the entire reserve. They can grow up to 7 feet tall at their shoulder. But my personal favorite is all over on the left. Grow up to 20 feet tall. And they can still reach around 30 miles an hour at top speed. You saw a baby back there? Baby giraffe is 6 feet tall when it is born. And mother giraffes do give birth standing up. So he also fell 6 feet to the ground. But he was okay. He was up and walking within just a few minutes. Probably my favorite fact about the giraffes. Oh, I was going to say it, but it's going to have to wait. I see another very large animal up ahead.
And there it is, the star of the savannah. The kids are shouting in English and Spanish, and honestly, that joy says it all. Pure Disney magic.
Africa. Now each elephant, both male and female, will grow tusks as a set of teeth. and we can usually tell them apart based on their size. Males can reach up to 13,000 pounds, while females can reach up to 8,000. But given that massive size difference between male and female, a dominant female will actually lead the entire herd, while males get tossed out of the herd around their teenage years, which is when they are considered to be adults.
It's walking.
What's next?
Now these are the greater.
This is Warden Outpost number 4, a reminder of the conservation story woven into this ride. The sign reads, Hakuna Ruhu sa Yakupita Hapa Mkubwa wa Hifadhi Peak Gate, which translates to no permission to pass here, only the chief warden of the reserve. Pretty cool detail, right? And of course, no safari is complete without a souvenir. There were so many cute and cuddly plush animal toys, lions, elephants, giraffes, it was honestly hard to choose just one. Thanks for riding along today, Foodie fam. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep the adventure rolling.